Good morning, it's bright, it's early, the birds are tweeting. So an extra little fun vlog this week because today is Bloom, and I said to myself, if you get all your work done this week, and I was working on like a sewing project, which you'll see that video, it's gonna go up tonight, which is Thursday. I was like, you can go to Bloom. It's not too early, it's not as early as the Chelsea Flower Show, it's 7:30. So I'm gonna fly up because I can sneak in a little earlier. Well, hopefully I can. So I'm on my coffee, look at my mug. I work so hard so that Blondie can have a better life. Jen from Moss Cottage made that for me. It's true. I don't know where the little brat is. She's been so bold because of the full moon. She's lost her collar. She won't come in. She's just been really bold, so the full moon has an effect on Blondie. Blondie the brat. If you are heading to Bloom this weekend, I highly recommend going as early as you can because it does get really busy around lunchtime. I remember when I was there, I've gone the past 2 years and like that, I try and go really early. I've never gone on the weekend, I always go on a Thursday. There is parking, I think it might be a £5 to park nearer, but there's also free parking in the park as well, so if you don't mind walking and you can get a space, park along and walk up. And come with an empty belly because the food section in Bloom is huge, it's great. The Chelsea Flower Show's food section, it was more about gardening and gardens. And the food section was like the artisan picnic area. No, Ireland has a massive alcohol and food section, which is fantastic. No gins today because it's too early, but definitely I'm going to get a big dirty breakfast at Bloom. So off we go to Phoenix Park. So wearing my skirt that I made, it's its first official outing. I'm wearing my midi one that I made in my sewing video. I'm delighted to wear it outside. I cannot wait. No one will say it, wait till you see it. I can't wait for someone to say, oh, I love your skirt, where did you get it? And I'll be like, I made it. But they probably won't even notice. There's a better look at my skirt. And my slippers, I live in these. These are cemented to me. But there's a better look. I'm going quite I'm dressing it down just with a t-shirt. And I have little white kind of plain runners to put with it. So nice and casual. So I have snuck in to see the show gardens before it opens to the public now at 9 o'clock. So it was great to kind of get shots of the garden that there wasn't loads of people in. So I hope you liked the show gardens. I'm going to go around to the rest of Bloom now. I'm going to get my breakfast. I'm starving. Very impressed with the gardens this year. I think they're much nicer than last year's one. I really like the kind of Greece one, and obviously I'm drawn to the kind of cottagey kind of things. But the planting, I'm getting lots of inspiration from the planting. Need to up my game, but I can't compete with show gardens. the actual heat. Thankfully, on days like today, I can take the lid off the car. Up after buying a chicken with pink wellies. So that is me for Bloom. Hang on, I feel like the sun is... Can you see me? Can you hear me? So I'm just trying to cool down before I make the journey home. I bought, my chicken with pink wellies. So he's getting a special seat in the car. Hope you liked my little vlog of Bloom. I have to say, this year I was really impressed with the gardens. Last year I wasn't overly impressed, but this year the gardens are really nice, and in comparison to Chelsea, the lads are living up to it. I think my favourite garden, I have a few. The garden that had stuff growing on the roof, because I just thought, oh, that's something I could do. And then there was a garden that, the Greece, the Mamma Mia one, really cute. And then the big kind of triangular, like cottage, not a cottage, you would have seen it in the vlog. That was one of my favourite as well, but not so much because the shape of it, but I had really nice planting as well. So I hope you liked my vlog. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye everyone.